This is a quick video on how for create account with Weltrade and how for connect them also to your MT5. So when you open your Weltrade browser, you see an interface like this. If not app they use, when you open the app, you see like this also for the website. Now down here you see dashboard, you see finance, you see promo, you see terminal, you see accounts. They all get different use. But for the purpose of the particular video here, we will focus on how for create accounts. Okay, now you see here outside they see my account, you see real, then they see here demo. Okay, the real now for account we want for deposit money, you own financial, you own physical money, you want for put stuff in that. If you want for create real account, now outside you want for put real money. Then the demo accounts now the practice account. For the sake of this video, what we create demo accounts. Okay, so we go to demo. Okay, when we go to demo, we go to create account. Okay, create account, create new account. Okay, open demo account. They don't give this interface. Now the platform na MT5 left and so the account type we get different account types. So you click here, you see we get premium, we get pro, we get synthetic. Okay, so this premium and this pro, the premium, if you click the premium and get your own features, then if you click the pro then as somebody will sabi trade. So for you when a beginner, I the advise make you click premium. Okay, that for the forex aspect. But in case you want for the trade synthetic indices, because then they offer both forex and synthetic indices. Down here you see here they say synthetic. So if you want for the trade synthetic indices, you click on synthetic indices. Okay, for this video we create account for forex, so we click on premium. Then you come down also they say account currency, they see USD, you left and so. Okay, but if you want for create an account in euro, you also click here, you select euro. Okay, recently I don't create an euro account. Okay, so now we select USD. Then deposit amount, here they choose the amount of money you want for deposit. I don't advise say no deposit money into your account where you know say after you go ready for trade, you don't get a particular amount of money. So now we say we want for deposit $200. Okay, $200. We want for deposit like $200 into the account, so we don't choose $200. Then leverage here 1:1000. We left and so we click on create account. Okay, you wait for the process for learn read. Okay, now this now your account is where you don't create. Your account is opened. Now you see the information here. You see the account number. You see the trading password. You see the balance. Now the information there, so we don't get now, they're very important. Okay, you know they close this page. You just within go to your MT5. Now what they do before you go to your MT5, copy this account number here. You see here, copy them. You don't copy the account number. You go to your MT5. Look for your MT5. Look for your MetaTrader 5. When you open your MetaTrader 5, this is MetaTrader 5. You see this plus here. Right now, this corner here, you see plus. You click on this plus. After you click on this plus, these are the different brokers and this is what I currently get. Okay. So now for Weltrade, you search for System Gate Limited. You see here System Gate Limited. You know go see them. So, but if you don't see them, you just search. Also they say find broker. Click there. You type System Gate Limited. Okay. You click on Weltrade. Now when you come here, now here you can enter the information and then they will give you. Here you see here Weltrade demo. Okay, if na demo account you left and so, but if na real account you create you click there, you click on Weltrade real. Okay, but since na demo account we create for practice with the left and so demo. Now they say login, that account number will then give you yanda. Now they can paste here. So just continuously click here, continuously, then you click on paste. You don't get the account number. Now they ask for within password. You go the back, you go there and within copy the password. You see trading password. You click copy this password also. There you go. You come here, you paste the password. Okay, you paste the password. After you don't paste, which thing will be next now? You click on log in. Okay, you wait for the process for let read. System limited login, a read. Automatically your account when at $200, it don't come na your account. Now how you do for see the chart? Now you see here code chart. Just click on chart. Okay, These are the chart than this. Then here are the different currencies and this. Okay, so this now, so for create and link your Weltrade account to your MT5 after you don't create your account, your account. Okay, so make sure say you like this video, you share, you subscribe to this particular channel if you want to see more content on how for withdraw after you don't make profit from Weltrade, how for withdraw the profit, everything I get for the do. So currently the market close and I make they see no movement of candlestick. If the market open now, you see the candlestick they move. Okay,